Hey everyone, I guess my audio will be clear. So today I want to start a sequel. So let's start. I have already made a timer. Wait a minute, let me start again. Okay, we are having a 60-minute session. Timer, okay, yeah. I should also add a timer. Okay, I hope it will be visible. Let's start. So I'm using a different uh, simulation technique to learn it. This is SQLBolt, which will help us to learn in an interactive way. Let's also start learning with AI. That would be helpful. Yeah, I'm also making some notes side by side. I will upload this updated document after the session, maybe. This seems good.
When you're done with the first
Okay, so the relation database, the type of database. It stores and provide access to data points that are related to one another. It organizes data into tables, which are composed of row and columns. Like this. Let's have a screenshot of it. And a simple definition, maybe.
पे आपको
seems good. I'm also making some notes side by side. Okay, so I was just checking out the stream. Let's continue. It's helpful for both technical and non-technical users to manipulate and transform data from a relational database. And due to this simplicity, SQL database provide safe, scalable storage for millions of website and mobile applications. Okay, because it is so much easier to run, I guess. That's why I wasn't able to complete it. But now I decided let's do it this time. Fine. Okay, let's start with the lesson 1. We select the queries. Let's just put it here as a page something. Lesson 1. retrieve the data from SQL database, we need select statement, which are often queries, which are often referred to as queries. Queries in itself is a statement which declares what data we will look for, whether to find the database, and optionally how to transform it before it is returned. It has a specific syntax though, which we are going to learn from the following exercises. As we mentioned in this introduction, you can think of a table in SQL as a type of entity, the and each row in that table has a specific instance of that type. That is a plug. This is a bug and bug a pickle, a different colored bug. Okay, is to select something from some table. We use this kind of thing. Okay, now let's come to the exercise. Oh, these are pixel data. Pixels movie. First, you have to find the title of each film. Okay, simply we will find the title, director, and then title and director of each film. We will use comma maybe. No, it's not comma. Okay, it should be from title and director. Find title and director. What I was writing. Now this one is my favorite. Select all. Okay, let's go to the next session. We still got some time. Question 2 is queries with constant. Yes, we won't be needing a different page. Now we know how to select for specific column of data from a table, but you have a table with 100 million of rows of data. Reading though all the rows would be inefficient. Okay, yeah, it would be impossible. In order to filter certain result from being returned, we need to use where. Okay, this is some good content. Let's copy it, put it in my revision SQL. Okay, so we are selecting some column, okay, from the table where, okay, we have a condition where some condition is there, which is and or for some conditions. Let's check it here. More complex clauses can be considered by joining and or logical keywords. We already know and or keywords, which are which I will be right here somewhere. Okay. Last I remember in and something like both statement should possible for its execution, and for or it doesn't depend, even one condition satisfies. It will work. That is the I guess it should be right. Okay, we have some few operators, standard operators such as column is not equal to 4. Okay, between and so we don't need that. Not in between will give something like accept the thing between this range, and number exists in list if the column consists of 2 comma 4 comma 6. Okay, not in exist, in and not in. Yeah, these are quite confusing. Okay, these are for something like this. Okay, so now we have a basic idea. Let's go for the exercise. We have to first find a movie with the row ID of 6. With the row ID of 6. Okay, it should be The Incredibles. Let's find out. Find the movie. The row ID of 6. Movies are from where ID equal to 6. Okay, yeah, it worked. Find a movie relates in the year between 2000 and 2010. Okay, where year? Here is between. So between, it was, I guess, simple between. Between 2000 and 2010. Yep. Which are not released. Simply not. We will just not find the first Pixar movie and their release date. Okay. Their ID is equal to 4. Their ID is less than, yeah, less than 5. Is it 5? Okay, I was just typed here. Yes, that was the case. Hey, I don't know what I was doing, or I was spaced out maybe. Okay, let's go to next one. SQL lesson 3, queries with constant. Okay, lesson 3 is queries with constants. Where we will be using some constants here. Where clause with column containing text data is equal support number of useful operators. Okay, lesson 3 is queries with constant. Where we will be using some constants here. Where clause we show few common text data. We will obtain here for case sensitiveness. We use some searching. Okay, that's how we use search in SQL. Let's execute it. Queries with constants are SQL queries that use calls to primarily use where clause to filter the data and retrieve only the rows which meet the specific criteria. That is a good definition. The where clause is your primary tool. Okay, sure. Case insensitive, it's that string comparison. But we are using same map. Okay, we are using here case sensitive stacks that string inequality comparison. It is case insensitive. Okay, this is case insensitive, which is also a thing. We have to also understand this thing. Case insensitive. I guess case insensitive will search for and yeah, I have a bit confusion here. That I knew, but I mean, here why we are using. So, ampersand gives everybody the string to match a sequence of 0 or more characters, only with like it or not. So it will match 80 attic cat. Okay, it is something like this, I guess. I'm able to perceive it. And this. And it will search also this. That is a cool thing. Okay. Yes, anywhere in a string to match a single character. Only with like or not like. It will be searched for and but not an. This is pretty weird. Will return and but not an. Strings exist in a list. String doesn't exist in a list. These are the same. Find all the Toy Story movies. Simply we will search Toy Story in the title. Toy Story 3, Toy Story 2, Toy Story 1. Research where title. 1, 2. What was the same? We have to use this thing. 5%. Was it like that? Okay. It is case insensitive or sensitive. I guess it is case insensitive because final the movie is selected by John Lester. Okay, first let's make it default. Find all the movies directed by John Lester. Toy Story, Bug Life, Toy Story 2. Okay, we will simply pair director. We have to find the exact copy, I guess. Or we can simply find the exact. We'll be using the approach we were using earlier. Zoom it out maybe. Okay, it was quite easy. Let's go to next. Okay, here we are over lesson 4. Yes, we have completed more than required for the starting version. Okay, we will just do till this. Yeah. Filtering and sorting. Even though the data is in database, maybe unique. Filtering and sorting. Even though The data in database may be unique, but result of any particular query may not be. Take our movies for example. Movies table, okay. Many different movie can be released the same year. In such a case, it could provide a convenient way to discard rows and have a duplicate column by using distinct keyword. Okay, here we will be learning distinct. The distinct keyword by blindly remove duplicate rows. It will learn in future to lesson how to duplicate. Okay, it will simply discard all the duplicates. That's just okay. What is next? Okay, I guess there was some issue with my microphone maybe. I was explaining, trying to understand the limit and offset. All I get it, this limit is just will give us from a specific location from 1 to 5, but with limit and offset together it will give something like this. Just limit 5 and offset 10, 5 to 10, which is same it will be doing here. I guess limit clause is too straightforward. Put a cap. There is a cap on the top number of the result you get back. For example, yeah, they have a limit cap of 3 to get the 3 most expensive products. But with offset, tell the database to skip a specific number rows before it begins. So it will skip till this number and then forward from here. To get 4th and 5th most expensive product, we need to skip 3. This query sort the product, skip the first 3 rows, then return next 2 rows. Okay, it was something like this, I guess. I understood it wrong, maybe. In combination of paginations, select all from product, ordered by product, limit 10, offset 0. You want the first 10 item, you want the next 10 item, you skip the first 10. You skip the first 10 and okay. We offsetted the 10 items and then we limited to next 10. This is used to just skip the next 10 items. So here we went wrong, I guess. This will, we wanted it to work. It will create something like, it will run to 10 and then give limit to 12, 13, 14, and now to 14, 15. Okay, yeah, these are the 5 next to limited. This will be the correct answer of using offset. Think about websites like Reddit and Pinterest. The following page list of links sorted by popularity. and time. Each subsequent page can be represented by the set of links. Okay, let's complete this exercise. This one is important. List all directors of Pixel movies alphabetically without duplicate. Okay. Really, yes. It should work. It should work. So the directors of Pixel movies without duplicates. We are removing the duplicates. And we are listing the directors alphabetically. Will be ascending order. Okay, we were right, I guess. We have to just list all the directors. Yep, working. It's working. Okay, we got only 1 minute left. List all the last 4 Pixel movies related. Okay, just the 4 Pixar movies released. Okay, I guess the time is over. I look. But we will be completing these 3 questions. This is the last 4 Pixar movies released. Order from most recent to least. So we have to order by year. No, if we do less than ID, then it will be only selecting IDs. But if we want to, yeah, we have already no limit. We will use limiter. How we have to see. Is that limit of last 4. Okay, this one worked. This the 5 Pixar movies are sorted alphabetically. Then you have to list the next 5 Pixar movies sorted. We already know offset, but we want to next 5 simply do 5. So it will ignore first 5 and then repeat, then revert us back the next 5 movies. Okay, I guess this is done for today. Okay, bye bye.